Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm in the mood for some product photography and I'm gonna pick my products from my bathroom. Last year I made a similar video guys where I picked products from my kitchen and photographed them. You can check the video out right here and also put the link down below. But now let's clean the pot. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
First product is talcum powder. I have placed the product on my table and have sprinkled some talc too. I will use the flash attached to a ball diffuser to light the product. I will bounce the light with a paper plate. Next, green face wash placed on a green cloth, which is my t-shirt. Again, I will light it with a flash attached to a ball diffuser. On the same green t-shirt, I have some hair cream with some hair related stuff. Again, flash being used with a ball diffuser. Now some conditioner. I have just sprinkled some water around it. Simple composition with toothbrush and toothpaste, and I'm using a white plate to balance the composition. Some liquid detergent, just trying more products and compositions. Another with a detergent packet. This packet gives me highlights, so I will not directly point the flash to the scene. I'll make it straight and will bounce it using a white paper plate. You can use any white paper or cloth to bounce the light. Next, I am using a white paper background and I have taped the product to the background. I have removed the ball diffuser for this shoot. Again, I have placed the product on white paper and I will click a flat lay. This time I will place some leaves in front of the flash so that I get some nice shadows around the scene. Lastly, the bathroom cleaner. I have placed it at the edge of the table and have pasted some red paper on the wall so I get a colored background. The flash will light it from top.
So guys, I had a lot of fun photographing my bathroom products and it was quite easy. I had all my products, gear, props, everything I had at home. I don't necessarily need a big and fancy studio space. I can manage at home alone with what I have. And if you like this video guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous product photography tutorial where I click products from my kitchen. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.